So I'm going to make a video of the storm damage that we had from last night and happened in Allentown, PA. We had 60-mile-per-hour winds with small hail. I'm going to show you right here is where it knocked down a whole tree in my yard. And I didn't see this until now. I was like, holy crap. But yeah, that storm was just like insane. Alright, now we'll take you to the other place. And there's Princess. Come on, Princess. Let's go look at storm damage, Princess. You know you want to. Jeez, that was just crazy. Come on. Guess what? I guess you can just say that Mother Nature saved the best for last. Come on. Yeah, and I read that other places in Allentown had their power knocked out. Luckily, that wasn't the case here. We didn't get our power knocked out. Just trees down. Branches thrown everywhere. Come here, Princess. Let's go look at this. She's like, wait a minute, let me go pee. Oh! God, that something just buzzed near me. It's okay. Little puppy. But yes, you know, straight ahead, that's where I filmed from today, but I didn't like the video because it was like 17 seconds long, and it's like, this is where our clothing dryer used to be. You could dry your clothing outside, and can't do that no more. Mother Nature had to say about that. Look at that, that's where the other post used to be. It's just like blown to bits. Tree came down right there. Let me see if I can go on the other side, because I want to know how big of a tree. Ah! Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit! That was freaking. I didn't know there was deer over there. Holy crap! I thought it was like some freaking dog. Yeah, so there's deer up there. Well, we found that. Alright, I don't know if I can get around. Alright. I'm afraid to go through those bushes. Holy crap. I can't. Oh, I don't have my good camera to zoom. Yeah, Princess, thanks a lot. Alright, we hear you. Shush! Shush! Shush, you big mouth dog. Oh, God. Alright, this dog's gonna maybe like the bugs flying in my mouth now. So yeah, straight ahead. That's the clothes. Why bother talking? I can't hear myself. Shush! First, I want to know how big of a tree that was that came into the yard.